everybody, and welcome to the Incredible channel. Today we will learn how to make a clicker game, and I'm going to show you an example of the game we're going to make. This is just one of the examples, but let's get started now. First, let's choose a sprite to click. I'll choose this balloon, and to be fun, let's choose a backdrop. I'll choose blue sky. Let's go to events and take out when this sprite click block. I'll make it play a sound. If you don't like the sound option it gives, you can go to the sounds tab at the top and choose a new sound. And let's keep score. We can click on make a variable and write score. So I already have this variable, so I'll just use this. But we can click and write points. Another cool fact is if you right click on a variable, you can rename it or delete it. I'll say change score by 1. Let's test it out. So it works, but how do we reset it? This is how we're going to start a game. We're going to go to events and take out a when green flag click block. We'll set the score to 0 by taking out the block at the beginning. Let's take out forever loop and snap it right under. We'll go to motion and take out a glide to random position block. Let's test it. So this is a good clicker game. If you want to make it exactly like the example I showed you, keep on watching. Let's go to events and take out let's go to looks and take out a change color effect by 25 block. Then we want the game to stop at some time. So let's first make backdrops. Let's click on stage, go to backdrops, and I had this free backdrop, so I'll take the text tool and write winner in it. And I'll change the font to what I want. Name the backdrop and make the words bigger. Let's choose another backdrop and write game over in it. Now let's take out if then loop and put it right after the change color effect block. Let's go to operators and take out the equal to 50. Then when we go to variables, there's a circle version of our variable at the top. We can take it out and put it in the first operator. Then I want this level to stop when the score equals 10, so I'll put it in the second circle. And then if the score equals 10, we're gonna hide the balloon and switch the backdrop to winner. Let's test it out. So it works. Now, if you want to add time, let's make another variable which says time and go to events and take out the when green flag click block, take out forever loop, put a wait 1 second block, then go to variables and take out a change time by 1 block. Let's take out a if then loop and put another if then loop in it. Then let's go to operators and take out equal to 50. Or to make this simpler, take out the if then loop in the if then loop, and let's take out this for a second. We can right click and make a duplicate of it. Then put this inside. For the first if then loop, we're going to take out the time. And I want it to be maximum 15 seconds. So we'll say if time equals 15 seconds, we'll go to looks and hide. Then we'll switch the backdrop to backdrop 1. Let's test it out. One last thing we need to do. We're hiding the balloon, so we need to show it, and we need to set the backdrop to blue sky. Now let's test it. So we won. This proves that even though the time wasn't equal to 15, though the score was, the game didn't keep on going on. Now let's see what happens if it's over 15 seconds. You can click your... We should have checked for that. Though that's another thing we know now. When you make programs, it's always good to test them. It's like doing an experiment, so we have to set our time to 0 when the flag is clicked. You can click your balloon a few times, but if you're really good at this game, I suggest you wait for some time, or you reduce it if you think the time you put is too much. So that's how you make a clicker game. Till next time.